Hi everyone, it's Paul Verco here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your logo and branding using a service called Fiverr. Okay, so to get onto Fiverr, all you need to do is type in Fiverr, and it'll take you through to Fiverr. So once you've logged into Fiverr, now you can use your Facebook, or you can use your Google account, or you can do a email and username. We'll just use our Facebook account here. Okay, so here we are inside our Fiverr account. So if you wanted to, obviously has lots of things on offer here, but if you wanted to create your logo and branding from scratch, you can go under graphics and design. And straight away it'll give you the things that you need the most. So we want to do a logo design here, so let's click on logo design. So we can either choose, if we know exactly what we want, we can choose I know what I want, but we're going to use a design partner here. And you can choose the type of personality your business is, so whether it's fun and friendly or corporate. It'll just give a bit of an indication to the designer which way you want to go. So let's do sophisticated and modern. And this gives you a bit of a design style. So again, it just gives you a bit of suggestion as to what you might want to choose. So let's click this flat one here, and obviously you can choose whatever you like. Do you want different sizes? Well, we'll say yes to that one. There we go. So it's now brought up all the different designers that can do those sort of designs. So what you can now do is you can do a sort by either recommended or best selling, or you can do the latest arrivals. So let's just do recommended, leave it as is. And you can just start to scroll through here. So what you want to look for when using Fiverr is these ratings here. Okay, so take into consideration that there are, certain ratings, but there's also the number of ratings it's actually received. So somebody like this one here, as you can see, it's quite expensive for a design, but they've got 5-star ratings and 453 5-star ratings. So you can start to go through here and just sort of make a bit of a note of what the different prices are. So we'll choose one that's sort of fairly reasonable. So how we do this one here? Looks good. So we've got 1,000 ratings here, 4.9 stars, which is pretty reasonable. And so what you'll also notice here, there's some examples of what they can do, which is pretty cool. And what you can do here is choose the different packages. So you can obviously choose a premium, and you can see what's been included here. So again, it's very straightforward and straight and explanatory. So for us today, we just want to get one with a vector file, so we can use that at a later date. Social media kit, which is included anyway. High resolution, absolutely. Source file, definitely. And logo transparency, that's like a transparent transparent PNG file. Alright, so let's choose this one here, and we'll do select. And so again, you can obviously, say if you're in a real hurry, you could add this amount for an extra fast 1-day delivery, and you can see that the checkout box uploads over here. You can include the 3D mock-up, which isn't really that necessary, but if you like that sort of stuff, you can get it, obviously. A whole bunch of things you can choose from here as well. Okay, and then we simply do order now, which we won't do, but if you're ready to go ahead, just press order now, and that will go through. Now, if it's for your first time, it'll let you, select between PayPal and Visa, MasterCard, and so on and so forth. I've got an account already to go, so I'm not going to click order now, but this is what it looks like. Once you do order now, you put in your details and requirements. And so you can put in as many details as you like. You might say if you like the Apple logo, you might say, all right, we'll go to Apple. And you might say, look, you really like the Apple logo or this particular sort of font, so you could do a bit of a screenshot. Again, Shift Command 4 there. And you can select that. Or you might want to just choose some sort of design. I'm just giving you as an example. You might like that sort of, that background image there with the sort of the spotlight. So you can do as many sort of examples of what you like. So if you go to other websites and see things that you like, you can then put that into the order requirement page once that goes through. Okay, so once that's done, you'll receive a confirmation via email and via this particular site. You can find all your messages back on the dashboard here. So messages are in here. So all your different notifications, but also your inboxes here as well, so you can communicate with your designer through here. So if there's anything you need updated, or if you just want to communicate with your designer about certain things, you can always just message them here. So really straightforward. Now once that's all done, generally speaking, they'll finish between 2 days and 7 days, depending on how busy they are. but most of them do act very quickly because they want to get good ratings from you. So Fiverr is an amazing service, and I've done most of my branding and logo through here. Now, obviously, you can get other things done as well. You can do digital marketing things, writing and translation, video and animation, a whole bunch of different stuff. So it's a very, very cool site. Have a look through, and you'll be amazed at what you can actually find. The other thing probably to note is that because of the exchange rate between, say, if you're in Australia or America or UK, a lot of these designers are in other countries such as Philippines and Indonesia, Sri Lanka, and so on. And so because of the conversion rate, you'll notice that a lot of these are very, very cheap. Okay, so in regards to where you're based. So if you're in somewhere like New Zealand, Canada, Australia, America, UK, you're going to get really, really cheap prices for what you actually get for the service. It's a really amazing service. So this is Fiverr. Hope you enjoyed the video, and look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.